Your feet will never be cold again. Here's a solution for everyone who struggles with cold feet and wonders how to warm them up. The best way to keep your feet warm is by using an insulating insole. Let me show you how to make one yourself. Most people throw away empty milk or juice cartons without realizing they can help prevent cold from seeping into your shoes and keep your feet warmer. Open a carton, wash and dry it thoroughly. Take the insole from the shoe you want to insulate, place it on the carton, and trace its shape. Cut out the traced shape. And voila, you've created a new insole. Place it inside your shoe, underneath the original insole. The carton's silver lining is great for retaining heat and reducing the cold that comes through the sole. This trick keeps my feet warm every time, and it costs nothing. A simple and cheap solution to keep your feet cozy. Reduce your heating bills by 50%. These tricks will help keep the warmth inside your home. Rub petroleum jelly on window seals to improve flexibility and trap heat. First, clean and dry them, then apply a thin layer. It's a simple way to lower your heating costs. Buy a thermal blanket from a pharmacy and stick it to your windows. This cheap trick keeps the warmth inside. Measure the glass, cut the blanket, and stick it gold side down on a damp window. The foil reflects heat back into the room. Start by cleaning your radiators. Turn them to the highest setting. Mix 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent with half a liter of warm water. Place a bowl under the radiator and pour the solution through it. You'll see the dust come out, improving efficiency. Stick bubble wrap to your windows using just water. It will attach instantly and provide extra insulation. If cold air seeps through the window frame, switch it to winter mode. Adjust the screw in the window frame so the smaller dot faces the side. If your frame lacks this screw, use aluminum foil instead. Line the entire frame with foil and close the window. This instantly seals gaps and keeps the cold out. This is a winter trick you need to know. Put rubber gloves on your hands, then put on your favorite gloves. The rubber layer creates an extra protective barrier, traps heat, and effectively shields your hands from cold and wind. It's a quick solution that noticeably improves comfort on cold days.